That moment your girl wake you up talking about you snoring too loud. Man, what, ho? This bitch. Man, bitch, I told you I don't fucking snore. Hell no, I don't snore, bitch. Man, fuck that. Man, you better have some evidence. Don't turn to these bullshit ass theories saying I fucking snore too much. Man, you know damn well real niggas don't snore.